Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest how-to guides to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something straightforward but important: how to delete your DHgate account in 2025. Whether you're looking to declutter your online presence, switch to a new shopping platform, or just take a break from e-commerce, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process smoothly. Let's dive right in. First things first, why would you want to delete your DHgate account? Maybe you're concerned about data privacy, or perhaps you found better deals elsewhere. Whatever your reason, it's a simple process, but remember, once it's done, your account and its data might be gone for good, so double-check before you proceed. To get started, open your web browser and head to the DHgate website. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. If you're not already signed in, enter your username and password now. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Account Settings or Profile Management from the drop-down menu. Next, look for the section labeled Account Security or Delete Account. DHgate might have updated their interface by 2025, so if it's not immediately obvious, scroll through the options or use the search bar if available. Once you find it, click on Delete Account and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll likely need to confirm your identity, perhaps by entering your password again or verifying via email. DHgate may ask you to provide a reason for deletion. Options could include privacy concerns or inactivity. Be honest, as this helps them improve their services. After that, review any final warnings about what you'll lose, like order history or saved items, and then hit the Confirm button. That's it. You're on your way to account deletion. One quick tip: if you change your mind, check if there's a grace period for reactivation, as policies can vary. Also, ensure there are no active orders or payments pending, as deleting your account might complicate those. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay savvy, and we'll see you in the next one.